Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions of Part 56. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find up to Part 55, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. Let us see exactly what it has been given in this slide. Dense vegetation in Rajasthan is found in which place? That we will find in Aravalli ranges. The maximum vegetation you will find in these ranges. Marble is a form of what? That is a limestone. That is one form of limestone. Next we have the port of Kandla is at the head of the Kori Creek. As you can see to the right, exactly how the Kandla port looks like. That is the head of the Kori Creek of Kutch. Please remember, wherever the Kutch is exist, near to that head you will find this port of Kandla. The process of washing away the fertile part of soil dissolved in water is known as what? Eroding. Please remember, whatever the process in which the washing away of the fertile part of the soil dissolved in water is known as eroding. Next we have preening is associated with what? That is associated with the tea, where you can see the preening takes place. The biosphere reserve declared by the government as Nilgiri is known as the biosphere reserve, which is declared by the government. Naga Hills form the water between India and Myanmar. Here, whatever the Naga Hill we have, that is, they form the water between India and Myanmar. The works of Kalidasa has a Sunga king as its hero, that is Malavikagni Mitram. So we knew that the works of Kalidasa has a Sunga king as its hero, that is Malavikagni Mitram. The comet that collided with Jupiter is Shoemaker Levy. We knew that whatever the Shoemaker Levy, that comet directly collided with the Jupiter. Now we have the main characteristic of the later Vedic society, that is caste system. This is one thing you have to remember. What are the main characteristic of the later Vedic society? That is caste system. Arthashastra of Kautilya is a treatise on statecraft. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the book had been written by the Kautilya, that is Arthashastra, that is concerning to the treatise of statecraft. Tipu Sultan ruled from the Srirangapatnam. We knew that whatever the Srirangapatnam, that place which was ruled by the Tipu Sultan. The Bardoli Satyagraha was conducted under the leadership of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. As you can see to the right side, how exactly Bardoli Satyagraha, which was taken place in the year 1928, the main person was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, was the prominent person. The function of the Panchayat Samiti is to implement community development project schemes. We knew that whatever the Panchayat system, that is as per the article 73rd, and which was, as you can see, that the implement community development project scheme. That is one thing you have to remember. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends, which is very important. More than 1000 question papers have been given. As you can see how it is segregated, you can directly go through whatever the playlist have been given. This is one thing, guys. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. This is one thing. Whatever the capital of Georgia, that is Tbilisi. The clotting of blood in blood vessels is called as thrombosis. Please remember, whatever we have, the clotting of the blood, that blood, whatever the clotting in blood vessels, that is known as thrombosis. You can see how exactly the thrombosis process takes place. As you can see, development of the clot, how initially it has been started and activated platelets, and after that the directly clotted. So this is what the clotting of blood in blood vessels is known as thrombosis. The largest percentage of revenue is earned by the government of India from, we knew that whatever the exercise system we have, exercise duty, that is the largest percentage of the revenue which is earned by the government of India from exercise duty. Next we have the maximum fixation of solar energies is done by green planets. We knew that whatever the maximum fixation of solar energies, that is done by the green plants only. Next we have the oldest theatre in India, that is which is located in Shimla. The name of the theatre was, that is Gaiety Theatre. This is the oldest theatre in India. The Thar Desert, we knew that it was spread all over the Rajasthan. Maximum area you will find the whole Thar Desert located in one state itself, that is in Rajasthan. The founder of the technique, that is psychoanalysis, was Sigmund Freud. We knew that whatever the psychoanalysis had founded by, the founder was Sigmund Freud. The book who had written Conquest of Happiness was written by Bertrand Russell. This is the one thing you have to remember. What was the book? The Conquest of Happiness was written by Bertrand Russell. The father of modern medicine, Louis Pasteur, is known as the father of modern medicine. Next we have the archipelago. We knew that. What exactly the meaning of archipelago is? A cluster of islands is known as archipelago. This is, we should remember, Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. The Udaigiri caves are located in which place? They are located in Orissa. Whatever the Udaigiri caves, they are in Orissa. And we should remember that there is a Kalinga war which was taken place, that is also in Orissa. Next we have the world's longest snake, that is reticulated python, is found in India. That place is in Nagaland. We will find this reticulated python. As you can see to the right side how exactly that python looks like. Next we have the author of the American Declaration of Independence. Thomas Jefferson was the main one who had authored the Declaration of Independence. The two blankets are warmer than one blanket because the reason, the two blankets enclose air which doesn't allow the cold to penetrate inside. So that is important. You have to cover the two blanket instead of one blanket. Sowing season for Kharif crop is, that is between June and July. These are the 2 months when you have the sowing season for the Kharif crop. The dates of national calendar, as you can see, permanently correspond with the Gregorian calendar. We knew that what is the national calendar, that is permanently correspond with the Gregorian calendar. Here we have the maiden recipient of Nehru Award, as you can see to the right side. For international understanding, this Nehru Award be given. That was received by the U Thant. As you can see how exactly that U Thant looks like. You can see to the right side how exactly he looks. He had been received the maiden award, the first award, the Nehru Award, which is given for the international understanding. Next we have the official language of Bhutan. You should remember what exactly the official language of Bhutan is. Dzongkha. That is the one which is the official language. Man is by nature a political animal was stated by Aristotle. Please remember, man is by nature a political animal was stated by the Aristotle. Chashma Chashi in Kashmir was built by Shah Jahan. We knew that Shah Jahan is the one who is the Chashma Shashi in Kashmir was built by Shah Jahan. What is the location? Chashma Shashi in Kashmir, it has been built by the Shah Jahan, who is also known as Khurram Khan, who is also built the Taj Mahal. The tea plantation was commercially stated in India by Lord Bentinck. Please remember, whatever the tea plantation, it was made it commercial and started by the Lord William Bentinck. Even he is the one who had initiated the English education as well. Here you can see in 1834, the Governor General of British India, Lord William Bentinck, appointed a tea committee to advise on feasibility of commercial tea cultivation in India. In 1835, a scientific commission was constituted with Dr. N. Wallich, as you can see, to report on the Indian indigenous plant, to advise on the most favorable localities for starting experimental tea gardens. So these are a few questions, guys. I hope all these questions will help you a lot. This is my mobile number. You can feed me, you can call me, or you can message me. This is 2100 PDF of GK and GS will be provided for you. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.